So let's talk about techno. Okay, not that techno, this techno. Some of the coolest sounds I've ever made in my production history have always been happy accidents. This sound I made yesterday is one of them. And even though it's not fast techno, it can be implemented in fast techno, but I'm running it at 126 BPM and I think it sounds pretty cool. Without further ado, let's make this patch. So as I was saying about happy accidents, this is one of them. I was working off of my thumpy 808 preset that I usually work with when starting off with bass lines, and I was like, hey, maybe I should mess with it. So I did. What we have is a basic MDC wavetable along with a Monster 6 wavetable on oscillator B, and basic MDC is FM modulating from B to create this kind of cool grit sound. Without oscillator B, it only sounds like this. Not very exciting. With oscillator B, it sounds like this. Way more interesting. Oscillator A is set to 6 unison while also having a detune of 0.21 or 22. It's also having -3 octaves, and the wavetable position for this is at 197. Oscillator B is -1 octave with a wavetable position of 112, and the level is actually set with this LFO tool at 1/8, and it creates just a little bit of staticky noise in addition to what I have on the post-processing to give it a little bit more grit. Only oscillator A is set to the filter, which is an MG Low 24, and the resonance is at 79%. LFO1 is what mapped to this. The envelope is shaped like this just to make sure that it's super short and plucky. And then for the effects, we have a compressor, which is set to a gain of 11.5 and is a multi-band, so you get that cool OTT grit sound. The overdrive creates this intense mid-range grit that I really liked. Without, you get. With it on, you get. So it amplifies that resonance and really comes through in the mix. And then I really wanted that white noise kind of additional width intensity without. Now you may be wondering what the hell this thing is. That is my Fox Mega Rack. If you would like to learn how to compile all of your favorite plugins into one easy place, please reach out to me. I will show you how. I bring this up because in this rack, I have a 60-second reverb that I automate up and down, and it creates this massive tail that I can automate and close shut when I need to. It's automating up and then quickly cuts. And without that, you would just get this. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice and short, nice and easy. If you did, do not forget to like and comment and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I want to know what you guys want to see. I have a lot of information up in this brain, and I'd love to show you guys every single piece of it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys on the next one.